About ready for me to get going. So wait, I saw the area codes out.
We was in LA. We live here, me and my mom.
Gotcha.
I'm trying.
So let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, you should move on out to Texas. I'm okay with that.
Thinking about it.
Thinking about it, okay. And I know the weather's not as nice as California, but
Yes.
we'll see. I'll just take some of this down to start. How long are you gonna be out here?
2 New years.
Okay.
Hey.
You can spend Thanksgiving and Christmas. You don't have to do any cooking for you. We'll have somebody cook for you. Yeah, that sounds not bad.
Yeah. To be connected with old friends and family.
I love that. And I'm gonna come back to that. I'm gonna keep trimming here. Hey Meta, in recording. We got. All right, let's get this trimmed out. Okay, so let's get to work on this callus. Not hurting you, am I? Oh yeah. We're gonna have you stepping nicely.
Thanks.
So what are y'all gonna do for Thanksgiving? Y'all gonna do a turkey?
Ham and turkey.
Ooh, wait. Yeah. What's that address?
I don't know, we're gonna be in Rocheron or we're going to the country. Like Rocheron, not the country.
I was about to say that, but I didn't want to say it on video because I didn't want somebody from Rocheron in my comments telling me about myself. Because
we in the country part of Rocheron. You know, they got that suburb part. That's the suburb part. But we in the country.
There's a country part to Rocheron? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
These look like some nails. Because at one point, they were pretty long, especially those big toes. I was impressed. And if I'm impressed,
Doing something.
you're doing something. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna cook for Thanksgiving this year. I'm probably just gonna go to a restaurant or something. Go out with friends. I jokingly call us the strays, all of my friends and I that are never married, no kids, and parents live out of town. This microphone. Hey Matt, I record video. I normally end up doing a little Christmas shindig for us. Even Christmas Day, we'll have people that'll just come by the house and we'll all just hang out, so we won't be by ourselves. Bring a scratch off. Everybody swap scratch offs, and that's our Christmas. Play Uno, argue, you know, the usual. So you have anything else planned while you're out here, or are we just kind of winging it?
It's going by ear.
Skin down, take that top layer off that nail. And really here, I'm just trying to get some of that thickness out. And a lot of times too, when you hadn't gotten to your nails in a good little while, they kind of build up a little bit of a coloration kind of on the top, and just kind of peeling that off really helps. The way it looks and feels. Now who knows, before you go back, you might be like, hey, let's go by that place one more time. Go see that guy. See if we can do something. Okay. Work on. I'm not hurting you, am I?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I mean, you hadn't kicked at me yet either, so. Figuring, okay. Now I'm gonna take these nails down a little bit more.
Where is your shoe? They should be dry. Would you want to leave in some flip flops, or do you want to put these on?
You got flip-flops?
Yeah, we got some little flip flops.
Okay.
I'm like, I don't know how much video she wants.